Chess is a complex and challenging game, but that's what makes it so much fun. And this chess book for beginners doesn't just teach you the rules. From the Queen's Gambit to the Scholar's Mate, you'll learn how to execute the most effective strategies and become a worthy chess opponent. Jump right into the game even if you've never played before, with an overview of the board setup, the game mechanics, and the role of each piece. Examine 30 gameplay tactics, complete with illustrations, that will help you plan your attack and play your way toward checkmate. Try sample chess scenarios that challenge you to come up with the next move and sharpen your skills even further. Make your opening move with chess strategy for beginners. Find the link below and buy the book now.